with the rag top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs are all barking and the wagon around, chasing those Nickgurs, and I just laughed and said, y'all get in. She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. So what you wanna do, baby, I don't care. We can go to the show or we can stay right here. And I can take you for a ride on my big Goon Tractor. We can go slow or make it go faster, down through the woods and out to the pasture. Long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. Let me just knock the dust off that seat. You put them pretty little arms around me. Hell yeah! Girl, you can climb up in my lap, drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, or baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big Goon Tractor. Oh yeah! We can hit the Piggly Wiggly, or we can just sit right sprawling on my big Goon Tractor.